Every institution creates knowledge, but only a few bring it to life. In a world shaped by technology, the future belongs to those who build with purpose. Meet Ria, an intelligent humanoid designed to welcome, assist, and engage. Built at Reva University, Ria represents a new way of experiencing artificial intelligence. Ria is not just a machine. It is a symbol of curiosity, of collaboration, of the future we are building together.
Hello, Ria.
Namaste. I'm Ria, your virtual receptionist from Reva University.
Ria, can you describe yourself and tell us about RAISE Reva University?
I'm Ria, a virtual receptionist built by Reva University students from the RAISE department. RAISE, or Reva Academy for Corporate Excellence, is our industry-focused division offering upskilling programs for working professionals in areas like artificial intelligence, business analytics, cybersecurity, and cloud-related domains.
Thank you. Could you also tell us about what are the programs that is offered at RAISE Reva University?
We offer a wide range of programs at Reva University, including undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral degrees across various disciplines. These include programs in engineering, law, architecture, commerce, management, arts, science, and performing arts. For working professionals, our RAISE department also provides specialized postgraduate programs and diplomas in cutting-edge fields.
Thank you, that's nice. Ria, also can you tell how does RAISE helps working professionals transform their career?
RAISE helps working professionals transform their careers by offering industry-focused PG programs and diplomas, as well as training pathways in high-demand areas. We provide flexible learning options and career support, including resume building and interview preparation, to help them advance.
Ria, I was asking about the short-term programs offered at RAISE Reva University.
Are you asking about short-term programs at Reva University, or specifically through Reva Academy for Corporate Excellence, RAISE?
Yes, I'm asking specifically with Reva Academy for Corporate Excellence.
Continuing RAISE, or Reva Academy for Corporate Excellence, focuses on industry-focused upskilling for working professionals. They offer PG programs, PG diplomas, and training pathways in areas like artificial intelligence, business analytics, cybersecurity, and cloud-related domains. These programs feature flexible learning and career support, including resume help and interview preparation.
Could you also tell the tools which our working professionals will be learning with our programs?
The specific tools working professionals will learn depend on the program they choose within RAISE. For example, in artificial intelligence, they might learn various programming languages and machine learning frameworks. If you have a specific program in mind, I can try to provide more details.
Yes. Could you just tell us on business analytics programs what are the tools they would be learning?
In business analytics program at RAISE, working professionals will gain hands-on skills with over 30 tools. These include programming languages like Python and R, data processing frameworks like Apache Spark, machine learning libraries such as Keras and TensorFlow, and cloud platforms like Amazon SageMaker and Microsoft Azure. They will also learn visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Kulik View, among others.
That's great. I would also like to know how the admission process happens with RAISE Reva University.
For RAISE programs at Reva University, the admission process typically involves visiting the official RAISE website to fill out the application form. You will need to submit academic documents, and there may be a personal interview or entrance assessment. For some programs like the MSc, in business analytics, entrance exams might focus on aptitude, logical reasoning, statistics, and basic mathematics.
Thank you.